It's again mid of the year and I have to share with you my current home screen setup. And this time I think it's the best home screen setup for 2026. And the best part, अपने home screen या lock screen setup में मैं जितने भी widgets या apps use करता हूँ वो सारे free of cost हैं. So if you want to create a similar setup, you don't need a subscription for anything. शुरू करें lock screen से, तो यहाँ पे मैंने चीजों को बहुत minimal रखा है. My lock screen wallpaper is a simple quote on a black background which says you must break the pattern today or the loop will repeat tomorrow. Now I keep 3 widgets on the lock screen. The first one is from an app called Left, जिसे यूज करके मैंने number of days left in May का widget लगाया है just to keep a track की और कितने दिन बचे हैं महीने में वेस्ट करने को. बाकी के दोनों widget is from an app called Lock Launcher. Basically iPhone के lock screen में Apple Music या फिर Notes के लिए कोई widget नहीं है. So I used Lock Launcher to create these 2 app widgets. To do this, open Lock Launcher and go to the features section and select circular widget. Widget 1 and widget 2 में तुम किसी भी ऐप का circular widget क्रिएट कर सकते हो for your lock screen. Now इसके फ्री वर्जन में तुम मैक्सिमम 2 widget ही क्रिएट कर सकते हो. तो तुम्हारे 2 मोस्ट यूज्ड एप्स का अगर लॉक स्क्रीन widget नहीं है, you can create and add them using the lock launcher. Also you can move around and customize your widget according to your preference. Apart from these, बाकी सारी चीजें मैंने अपने लॉक स्क्रीन पे बेसिक ही रखा है. That's all for the lock screen and now let's talk about the main character of the video which is the home screen setup. The very first widget is a quote widget जो मुझे quote of the day देता है and this widget is from the Widgetic app. You get a lot of widgets in this app, like a lot, and you can customize them all according to your preference. My next widget is also from the Widgetic app which is a steps tracker and this is quite accurate क्योंकि ये health app से data sync करता है, so this is not a gimmick. Plus health app and fitness app दोनों का ही widget कोई काम का नहीं है, so I use this which looks good on the home screen. Then I have my most used apps which is the App Store. Like I spend a lot of time searching for good apps on the App Store. Then Gmail to reply to my sponsors. My Photos app, Audible, Files and Notion. Basic but again most used apps. And lastly, I have a very unique and a cool widget from an app called Mini Folder. यहाँ मैंने अपने सारे social apps का एक mini folder बनाया है and just like a regular home screen app, you can just tap on the app and ये directly open हो जाता है. Like this is very clean, useful and a cool widget जो I think सबको use करना चाहिए. To set this up, just install Mini Folder from App Store, open it and ऊपर plus पे tap करके create a new folder. Give it a name and a background color if you want. मैं black ही use करता हूँ. You can also change the brightness and the app icon appearance if you want. Now simply save it and add all the apps that you want in that folder. You can also choose between a small, medium or a large widget. अब इसके free version में you can create up to 2 folders which is I think is more than enough. Now अपने folder को create करने के बाद just save it, come back to home screen and just add the widget. Also home screen customization में I use large apps जिससे सारे apps and widgets का नाम छुप जाता है and it looks more clean. Dock की बात करें तो I keep my caller, camera and the music app. And this was my single page home screen setup. Now control center बिल्कुल same last time जैसा ही है. इसमें मैंने कोई भी changes नहीं किया because this setup works perfectly fine for me. Now side वाले widget page में I use 2 stack widgets. One is from Strava and fitness app and the other one is from an habit tracking app which is Ripples. It's a very simple and a clean habit tracking app and इसका widget भी मुझे काफी minimal and useful लगा. I can just tap here to log my activity. अब इस widget को मैंने लगाया है to track my YouTube post and Instagram post and I'm doing this to visibly see कि मैं post करने में कितना delay करता हूँ and I really want to post more content on my socials. So this was my lock screen, home screen, basically my iPhone setup I'm using in mid 2026. अब इनमें से कौन सा part, widget या app तुम्हें पसंद आया? Let me know below. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.